Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model knitted with yarn. A crochet flower vase designs typically involves creating a decorative cover or a three-dimensional vase using crochet techniques. Here are some common approaches to crochet flower vase designs. Crochet vase cover. This design involves making a crochet sleeve that fits over an existing glass or plastic vase. The cover can be made with various patterns, stitches, and colors to match your home decor. Steps. Choose a pattern. Simple stitches like single crochet, double crochet, or more complex patterns like shell stitch, lag, or flip crochet. Measure the vase. Measure the height and circumference of your vase to ensure the cover fits snugly. Create a base. Start with a circular or rectangular base, depending on the shape of your vase. Crochet the body. Work in rounds or rows to build up the sides of the cover, adjusting for any shaping as needed. Finishing touches. Add embellishments like flowers, leaves, or beads if desired. Three-dimensional crochet vase. This method involves crocheting the vase entirely from yarn, creating a structured, freestanding page. Steps. Start with a base. Crochet a flat circle or rectangle for the bottom of the vase. Build the walls. Use increases and decreases to shape the vase. Techniques like single crochet or half double crochet are often used for sturdy walls. Shape the neck. As you reach the top, decrease stitches to form a narrow neck. Reinforcement. Use a stiffener like fabric stiffener, starch, or a plastic insert to help the vase maintain its shape. Decoration. Add crocheted flower appliques or other decorative elements to enhance the vase's appearance. Crochet flower vase appliques. These are flat crochet pieces designed to look like a vase and flowers. These can be attached to other crochet projects like blankets, bags, or clothing. Steps. Crochet the vase shape. Start with a basic vase shape using simple stitches to create the body and neck. Create flowers and leaves. crochet small flowers and leaves separately. Attached. Sew or crochet the flowers and leaves onto the vase shape. Integration. Attach the finished applique to your desired project. Materials needed. Yarn. Choose yarn according to the desired texture and durability. Hook. Use a hook size appropriate for your yarn. Scissors, tapestry needle and other tools for finishing. Tips. Color coordination. Match the colors of your vase and flowers to complement each other. Stiffening agents. For free-standing vases, consider using stiffening agents to help the vase hold its shape. Creativity. Feel free to experiment with different stitches and patterns to create unique designs. Here are some additional tips to help you create a beautiful and sturdy crochet flower vases. First, yarn choice. Cotton yarn. Opt for cotton yarn as it's sturdy and provides good structure. Blends. Consider blends like cotton, acrylic for added strength and flexibility. Stitch selection. Dense stitches. Use dense stitches like single crochet or half double crochet to provide a solid structure. Decorative stitches. Incorporate decorative stitches like the shell stitch, bubble stitch or leg patterns for a more ornate appearance. Maturing and fitting. Tight fit. Ensure the cover fits snugly around the vase to avoid slipping. Mature frequently as you crochet. Elastic band. Add an elastic band at the top of bottom of the cover for a secure fit. By following these tips, you can create beautiful, sturdy, and unique crochet flower vases that are perfect for home decor or as gifts. Thank you so much for watching this video.